What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer money from Europe to India. So let's get started. Now for you to be able to transfer some funds from Europe to India, you would need to have an account with a money transfer service. So in my case I will be using Wise because it has the lowest fees at the moment. If you guys would also like to use Wise, I will leave my referral link in the description below, and if you use that link to create your Wise account, you won't be charged any fees for the first $1,000 that you send with Wise. And now let's go ahead and continue. So once you have your Wise account set up, you can go ahead and open the Wise app. From there, once you're in your Wise app, just go ahead and click on the send option right here. So for you to send money from EU to India, the receiver, so the recipient of the money that you're sending, would also need to have a Wise account. So Wise is available globally, so this won't be an issue. Now, once they create their account, they would just need to provide you with their Wise tag or their phone number or their email, and then you can input this in the search bar to find their account. Now, once you found them and clicked on their profile, this will be the screen that you would see next. So here you can select the currency that you will be sending, and you can also select the currency that they will be receiving. So because you're in Europe, let's say that this is in euros, you can just type in euro and select it, and then you would be sending euros and the person would be receiving US dollars. So this will be automatically converted, as you can see right here. If I input 10 euros, the person that receives that will receive about $11. And you can also change the receiving currency. So you can also select Indian rupees from here. And then essentially you would be sending euros, which would be automatically converted at the best available course to the Indian rupees. So you send euros and then they receive rupees. But before you can do the transfer, you would need to connect either your bank account or your debit card to your Wise account. So essentially just a funding method. Now this can also be Payoneer account, Revolut account, whatever has a debit card, you can connect to Wise and then pull the funds from there to make this transfer. So I already did this, but it's pretty straightforward. You can just click connect card right here and then input your card information and just tap connect. From there you can click continue right here. And then you would just need to select the nature of your transfer. So in this case, let's say sending money to home family, and then click submit. And here you can see all the details about your transfer. So the whole fees associated with this transfer is about 15 cents, which is pretty low. Now here you can also change the payment source, which in my case is a debit card. So once you have everything figured out, you can click continue to payment. And once you click continue to payment, this payment will be completed and the receiving party would be able to see their funds in their Wise account instantly. But I won't do this now because I don't want to make this transfer actually, but for you, you can just go ahead and click continue to payment. So again, if you use the link from the description below to create a Wise account, you won't be charged any fees for your first $1,000 in transfers. So essentially, that's guys how you can transfer money from Europe to India using, in this case, Wise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.